land. So we are not in Goa and not in Maharashtra. So this is the no man land, and we are looking at the area of Pali that is known as a Juve. So during olden time, people used to take the country canoe and they were going there and they were growing salt tolerant paddy. So it was, very inspiring struggle of the human being. The Parab community from Pali were going there and doing the agriculture. So that is the Juve, and now you can see how mangrove responsible for asserting to the river that if you cut the forest, got it, no, there will be no river. So this is the clear cut example in Amboli, got it, no, and there is one village known for the butterfly, Parpoli. Olden time it was the ghat that was used by the people. There was no Amboli ghat, there was Parpoli ghat. So Parpoli is the village designated by the Maharashtra government as the butterfly village. So whatever water that is there in Parpoli, in Amboli, comes here, got it, no? But in Kesri and all those areas, lot of deforestation has taken place, and river is bringing during the monsoon season silt, and this silt is accumulated here, and there is important ecosystem that take over the silt accumulation, and walking nursery is established there. So you can see here the walking nursery in the form of the mangroves. So mangroves are very important, but today if we do something harm to the nature, the mangroves will come and there will not be river. So if we want to protect the river, then we have to stop the deforestation. So this is a clear cut example. Got it, no? So we are on the border of the two villages. This side is the Keri village. Got it, no? Keri village, and then you have another village near to the Redi, near to Maharashtra. So if you want to go by this bridge, you can go to Redi, and from Redi you can go to the Terekhol. So Terekhol village is very beautiful village. So Keri is there, and on the border of the Keri, you know, which is called as Sweet Lake, which is a part of today Arambol. So it is in Pali village. That lake earlier was known as Vak Kolam. Got it, no? Tiger used to come there because it was a lagoon. Got it, no? So what is a lagoon? You can ask the geography teacher is there. She will explain you. So what is lagoon? Got it, no? Very unique lagoon is there. So lagoon is known earlier as a Vak Kolam, but today the people who are coming from outside India, they give name to the area as a Sweet Lake. Water was sweet. It was used by the tiger. So earlier it was known as a Vak Kolam. So Vak Kolam area tells you that tigers were there in this area, and here tiger shrine is there. So if you just go in the direction of the Keri, from here 300 meter is the place of the tiger. Got it, no? So tiger shrine is there. So now we are in the place called Kiran Pani. So Kiran Pani, why this place is called Kiran Pani? Because during olden time, people were nature lover. So they used to come here and they used to find that when the sun is going for setting, whole area, the water glitter with the rays. So that is why the place got the name Kiran Pani. So if you want more detail about the Kiran Pani, well-known poet in Marathi, Mahavir Zonale, wrote one collection of the poetry called Kiran Pani. So you read it and you will find how this place is inspiring. So that is why I thought it's right, because the ships were going this way of Badami Chalukyas, the Konkan Mauryas, all the dynasties were using this river for the navigation. So this tells you now what you have. You can see the canoes are there. So all these are used for the sand mining. But in olden time, it was a navigable river. So if you go straight away, the last point of our parikrama is Bandeshwar. So I will show you the Bandeshwar area where you will be served the refreshment. So now we will go to the area called Bawa Got it, no? So from Bawa we will go to the Povalizar, and I will show you how people were responsible for establishing excellent system of water harvesting, and the last spot will be the Bandeshwar. That is the part of the geographically the part of the Korgaon village, but culturally it is associated with the Palye village, because my wife used to go there and she used to swim and she used to remove the shellfishes.